All right, look, so check this out. Let's look at number 20, right? So number 20 asked, what is the conjugate of that expression, 1 plus 3 root 2, or 1 plus 3 times the square root of 2? The conjugate is just 1 minus 3 times the square root of 2. So when you're trying to find a conjugate, all you got to do is like look at the expression. It's usually going to be two terms in the expression. We got the number 1, and we got 3 root 2. That's another term. All it is you just take the opposite, like you take the opposite sign, or you give the opposite sign to the second term in the original expression, and that's how you get your conjugate. It ain't nothing too crazy. Um, Sometimes you'll have, if you have a fraction, then your conjugate will be, it's got to be, the fraction has to be equivalent to 1, so it doesn't change the actual value of the original fraction you're multiplying it by, but it is going to change the terms, right? It's going to change the terms, but it's not going to change the value. So what you might end up doing is like, you might have a fraction, like you might be 1 minus 3 root 2 over 1 minus 3 root 2, right? So there's that, but this is just a straight just expression. It's not a fraction. So all you do is you just change the middle operator symbol from an addition sign to a minus sign. And the benefit of using a conjugate is that's how you clear out or get rid of radicals. So whenever you're doing math, like, you should understand the steps and memorize the steps, but also try to understand like why, like what's the benefit and what's the purpose of doing these things. Like, why would you use a conjugate for? Like, how's it gonna help you? You know what I'm saying? Everything is beneficial and useful, but you should know what the benefit is. You know what I'm saying? All right, so that's all. The conjugate is 1 minus 3 root 2. Ain't nothing too crazy.